Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, while I'm jamming or whatever, we are going to do a nice good old sleek high puff without, you know, the extra edges or whatever. Just something a little simple. So today we're going to be using the Aunt Jackie Grapeseed Glossy Curly Jelly. This jelly is infused with grapeseed oil, marshmallow roots, and almond oil to hydrate, soften, and make waves and curls more manageable. And this is how it looks, boo. A little shake, shake. And then we have the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Sleek Flexible Styling Gel. Ooh, baby, this is sleek you down, okay? And then we have the Aunt Jackie Shine Balls, which is a Sheen mist to give your hair extra bit of flavor, okay? So first, we're gonna get our good old spray bottle. We're gonna spray our hair down. You know, we don't want to have it all dry. You know, moisten it up a bit. You know, water is the most important thing for your hair. So we're gonna go ahead and massage the water into that hair, baby. Let's do the massage, girl. Yes, let's do it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take the curling jelly, and we're gonna just take, you know, like a little good old amount or whatever, and we're gonna just go ahead and put that around the perimeter of our hair. So we're gonna go ahead and take our good old, you know, soft bristle brush or whatever type of brush you like to use to slick your hair, and we're gonna go ahead and smoothen that baby out. Smooth it out, yeah, baby. Okay, let me stop. Next, we're going to go ahead and take the Aunt Jackie Styling Gel, and baby, when I tell you, this styling gel has a very, very strong hold, and a little bit definitely goes a long way. Okay, boo? Yes. If I was to compare this gel, it would compare to Got2b glue, but the ingredients are so much better. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that around the perimeter of our head again, and use our good old brush to just smooth it on out. Smooth it on out. So next we're going to go ahead and take this big old rubber band or scrunchie that I have. I don't really know what to call it. And we're going to use this to create our high puff. Now I like to loop it around my forehead twice, so it could be nice and snug for my high puff. Now, it's not cutting circulation off my head. Now, I know it look like it do, but it's okay. It's okay. So then we're going to go ahead and just bring this band onward up, just so we can get that whole high puff effect. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and just mold the high puff to our liking. And I'm going to take just a little bit more of the styling glue just to perfect my edges just a little bit more. But I'm not doing anything extra with my edges because I don't want to be extra today. I just want to be simple. So we're just going to just take that little bit of styling glue and go ahead and just swoop it on up just so it could be nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and take my good old satin scarf, and we're going to just wrap this around my head so it can just set the glue for a couple minutes. Once the styling glue is nice and set, we're going to go ahead and remove the satin scarf. But hey, we are not done here. So we're going to go ahead and take the Aunt Jackie's Shine Balls Refreshing Sheen Mist and just spray it around our head. And this is supposed to soften and give the hair a beautiful reflective sheen, boo. Okay? And then, if you're like me and like to have like the little S curls on the side of your head, I just like to pull out a little bit of hair on each side, and then I'm going to add some of the curling jelly from the Aunt Jackie's collection and just put it on my hair and just swirl around my fingers just to give me that good old S curl. Okay, boom. So you guys, if you haven't tried out these products already, I do highly suggest trying it out. It is the bomb, and this is my final look for this video. So if you did enjoy watching, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye, boo.